I've been down a week. All these fake mechanics out here can't come out when it's a little breeze.
What's up, you guys? I'm Austin. I'm starting my own mobile mechanic business right out of the back trunk of my 2002 Honda Accord. Today we have a Saturn Ion alternator install. All you gotta do is take off the air box and disconnect the mass airflow sensor. And it's a 13 millimeter, 3 bolts. Take those off, and you have to get the tensioner off. This tensioner right here is a pain in the butt to get into though. But let's get it, you guys. So first thing is first, unhook the battery, which is in the very back here. I unhooked both of them just to be safe, you know. And there we go, out with the old and in with the new. Let's get it, y'all. See if we can get it back in there. That's what I'm talking about. Austin, it went off?
Yeah, that battery light went off.
Oh yeah. All right, you guys, another satisfied customer, man. We got her done. The alternator's installed.
Definitely
She's running.
satisfied. Definitely satisfied.
Oh yeah, come on, Christmas, man.
I've been down a week. All these fake mechanics out here can't come out when it's a little breezy.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Now it's payment time.
Right. Thanks, man. I appreciate your business.
We'll give you one more 20 because it's Christmas.
Oh yeah, I appreciate that. That's what's up, you guys. We don't play no games out here.
Came out here and did his thing.
Stop scrolling and watch the full video. I am starting my own mobile mechanic business right out the back trunk of my 2002 Honda Accord. And I want to inspire the people to chase their dreams. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do. That's why I make these videos. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm in the Cleveland, Ohio area. And just roll the clip. All right, I got a customer right here waiting on me. I'm doing an evap purge valve today, so let's get it. All right, you guys, today we're doing a evap purge valve on the Ford Fusion. Evap purge valve is right here. It's two 8 millimeter bolts right there. As simple as 1, 2, 3, and there's a clip right here that you push out. Make sure you don't break that clip because that's very important. So yeah, let's get the tools out. Mobile mechanic starting a business right out the back of his Honda 2002 Honda Accord. Before you do anything, you gotta disconnect that battery. Most likely it's a 10 millimeter. Got your harness there, two 8 millimeter bolts. You got purge valves right here. You got a clip right here. You gotta push this out and it comes right off. Yeah, man, I just started doing this about a week ago. I'm like, damn, this is picking off real quick.
Yeah.
Like real quick, dude. Like everybody needs a mobile mechanic and an honest one. So many people out here trying to play people.
Yeah, a little bit.
That he doesn't care. That he can do the prices too, man.
You're gonna have to get one of those circular lights around it.
Yeah, I'm getting all that stuff. So this clip right here just pushes in. Boom, there you go. There's your old evap purge valve. Make sure you get the O-ring out. You don't want to have that stuck in there. I don't know if they get stuck or not, but it is possible. Anything is possible. Just like starting your own business out of the back of a Honda Accord. Okay, you got your O-ring there. Boom. Boom. Out with the old, in with the new. The purge valve is in. He's about to start it up. Let's see what it does. See if it sounds any better. Put the battery terminal back on. All set. Make sure it's tight. Make sure the terminals are tight. Always double check and look around while I'm in there so I can make sure nothing's loose or nothing. Because it could be another issue. You could have an evap leak up here and it's throwing that code off. So the evap purge valve, how it works is it's the vapors out of your engine, out of your gas tank. It's recycled. And this purge valve, it opens and closes. And whenever it's bad, it stays closed or open. It stays open. And your engine gets flooded with all that fuel, and it's running too lean, or whatever you call it, too rich. All right, you build your own business. It's all about customer satisfaction and looking out for people, you know. So that's number one. That's a brand right there. There you guys go. As the engine light went off, customer is happy. He's gonna tell his mom, his grandma, his aunties, cousins, everybody. He's gonna tell everybody that Austin's out here in a Honda Accord doing mobile mechanic stuff, you know? And he's on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. He don't play no games. We are out here, boy, me and the dog. Listen, y'all need me? Me and my dog, we're gonna pull up and we're gonna make sure you're right, okay? We the mobile mechanic services. All right, ain't we, boy? No.